Greetings, people of YouTube. It's me, Luigi. Luigi, we didn't say you could do this. But I'm just trying to help out. Luigi, I do the intro. But I thought that I could maybe do it together. I was just trying to help you. That's all I was trying to do. No, Luigi, I do the intro. Okay, you do the intro. Greetings, people of YouTube. Oh, Luigi, you see what you made me do with my voice? You made me go all Italian. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. We'll just start. YouTube, I've brought a friend home from Italy, a guy called Luigi. Yes, my name is Luigi. We're going to play games on the internet, you say? Yes, Luigi, we're going to play games on the internet. Yes, I know. We're going to play now. I'm sorry, Luigi, I can't do this anymore. Oh, what do you mean? I thought it was going to work. I thought it'd be fun having an Italian side character, but you're just too annoying. What? You're going to get rid of Luigi? Yes, Luigi, I'm going to get rid of Luigi. I'm sorry. Goodbye.
Fatality.
Well, that's better. Greetings, people of YouTube. It's me, Josh, without Luigi. And we're going to play games on the internet again. Let's begin. Hiya! Oh, look you in the eye before I throw you into a spiked wall. Yeah, look at me in the face. That's right. And you, piggy. Hiya! Run onto my Qatar of doom. No! Whoa, look at this guy. Oh, he's injured himself before he's even got to me. I'm sorry, buddy. God, I hate you. God, I hate you. Die! Yes! Yes! Feel my wrath. Goodbye, Maria. It's been fun. That was good. Heart transplant. Oh! Okay. Not sure this is going to take off in modern medicine in Europe, but we'll see what happens. I like this a lot. It's yeah. Nice. Oh, so well judged. I'm not sure that was his heart. It's not staying in. I don't think he's going to survive the night. Wait for a moment. Okay. Click to eject. Wait, I've waited for a moment. Oh.
Nope.
A moment's a very indefinite figure of time. And eject. And eject. Yay! Timmy! No, we're starting again. I want Timmy. This isn't fair. How come you get to stay here but I have to go? No, I'm not going to be the one to die. You're also going to... I can't even kill you. I can't even kill my own son. What kind of father am I? God damn it, he's made of stern stuff. Right, Timmy, you can survive this time. No, you can't! Psych! I deserve that. Timmy, stay with me. Timmy, stay with me. Yes, I've still got Timmy! I've lost my arms, but Timmy's better than arms. Not better than a fucking head, though, you prick. Okay, lean forward a little bit so Timmy stays alive. I've lost my arms and Timmy! I just can't win! Right, let's go. Let's just fucking go for it. Boom! Fast! 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 I like it. I like that tactic. Go under the wrecking balls. Well, mate, I've won it. I've cheated it. There's no way I can possibly lose because I'm so low that they can't hit me. That was fun.
Nope.
Whoop. Hello, Harpoons.
Hello, Harpoons. Okay.
Hey, Harpoons. Do you want to hit me in the head?
Denied.
I'll take that as a yes. And just poke my head over the... Hey, guys. Hey! Suckers! Yeah! Outsmarted them with my brain. Be careful. I'm always careful. The world is a dangerous place. See? Always careful. arrows in my face. Donut attack. If donuts attack, I'll just eat them. My dream has come true. Now I can eat it. What? I don't... Take it. What do you mean? Oh god! Oh god! The donuts are coming! The donuts are coming! Damn you, donut! My one nemesis. Patisserie donuts. Let's go! Come on. God, you... This bin! Over we go. Lean back. Ice. Come on! Come on, you disgusting sack of useless, benefit-cheating... Come get me, donut! Yeah! No! Don't come get me anymore, donut! Oh god, it's coming! It's coming! Wait, maybe I can stop. It'll go over me. Stop! Wait, okay, keep going. Stopping was a bad idea. That donut is unbelievably quick. Okay, we hit it. We go forwards. We get to the bin. I didn't even get to the bin! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, I give up. I promise you, Ruth, that you're going to survive this. I promise. Unsatisfied. Ruth, I promise you're going to die. God damn it! Is this actually possible to fail on? I don't think it is. I've been proved wrong, and rightly so. I think I know what's going on here. I think I might be rolling and spiking and laughing. I might be wrong. Maybe this is a game of, like, farming. Yes! All of you are dead! Well. This doesn't work. I swear I've done this one. Oh well, who gets tired of stabbing people with swords? Oh, in the nuts. In the nuts. In the nuts. Ugh. Look at my kebab stick. Mmm. Tasty kebab. Get away from me. Oh my god, I can prod people. Don't come near me, I'll prod you with this guy's butt. Get away. Prod. And Oh no, I lost my prod stick. That's annoying. You raise me up. Oh, we have fun. Oh god, Timmy, I think we've got a problem. I knew that was gonna happen. Forgot about the meteor. And wait. No, son, no! Stop, though! Stop now. And now again! And stop! Wait. Ooh. Timmy, wait. I think I can make this meteor kill you. What? Please tell he's going to die at some point. Thank you. Whoa. This is going to be interesting. Wait. Okay. I can still do this. Sorry, Timmy. If I just... Okay, maybe not. Wait, no! Oh, God. Timmy! You're too close to me. You're too close. Get off. Sorry, son. Whoa! Timmy, get back on there. Wait! Oh, fucking tricks. Right, okay. Go! Stop! Wait, no! Come on. Okay, wait for it. Oh! No! Please! No! I'm still good. I think this is still good. Go! It's alright. It's not alright. I give up. Ha! Missed me. Okay. Really? Wow.
Surprise, motherfucker.
This time. Wait for it. Oh my god, this is your best chance, Josh, to actually achieve greatness. Let's see what you've got.